It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to open up 2020-2021 Upper Deck Series 2 Hockey Hobby Box with JT on the cover. There's our odds. This box is now going for about 100 US as I record this. Of course, Young Guns, what we're looking for. Kaprizov's in here, Romanov's in here, Ilya Sorokin's in here, Tim Stützle's in here, Dylan Cousins is in here. I don't think I've ever pulled a Kaprizov Young Gun, so that would be nice. But we'll see what we get. We're going to get 8 cards per pack and 24 packs per box, as has become standard with the Upper Deck base product. So let's just tear right into this guy. We're going to start off with Warren Foegele. Got Darren Helm, and we've got our first insert is a canvas of Roope Hintz from the Winter Classic. Ilya Mikheyev, Max Pacioretty, Jason Spezza, and Jack Roslovic. Brian Johansson, Cam Fowler, Justin Falk. We've got another canvas. It's a Clayton Keller. He's against the Pens. I got Tristan Jarry in net there. Scott Lawton, Ethan Bear, Ryan Hartman, and Derek Brassard. So, based on what we've been pulling recently, it wouldn't surprise me if we also pulled a Young Gun checklist out of here. Seems like we'll be getting a lot of those. Arturi Lehkonen, Brett Connolly, Alexander Nylander, Nick Schmaltz, and our first Young Gun, and that's not a bad one either, it's Keandre Miller. He's become a pretty big contributor for the Rangers. Alexander Edler, Nick Backstrom, and Valeri Nichushkin. Kevin LeBlanc, Philip Hedl. Looks like we've got an O-Pee-Chee update here. David Krejci. And we've got a Connor Ingram marquee rookie. So, of course, Upper Deck Series 2. As in recent years, you can pull the O-Pee-Chee updates. Dante Fabro, Jonas Korpisalo, and Nico Hischier. So that gives you another chance to pull some big rookies that weren't in the initial O-Pee-Chee release. But I think most people don't like the O-Pee-Chee updates in here. Logan Couture. We've got Carey Price. Oh, and we've got a rookie materials of Bowen Byram. That's a pretty cool photo shoot flashback, it's called. Why is it... Whoops, that's Ivan Barbashev there. Why is it a flashback? Zdeno Chara and a Matthews and a Petey checklist. Off to a pretty good start. We've got materials out of here. What a nice Young Gun. Thomas Chabot, Anton Roussel, Sean Monahan, Milan Lucic. Looks like another Upper Deck Michael McNeven O-Pee-Chee retro update. Madison Bowie, Andre Burakovsky, and Freddie Anderson. Brad Marchand, Anton Strawman, Brady Tkachuk, OEL. Keep rolling with these O-Pee-Chees. Award winner from Matt Dumba on the King Clancy Trophy. Sean Walker, Brian Dumoulin, and Cam Atkinson. We've got Evgeni Kuznetsov. Oh, we got a little bit of stickage here. Ryan Reeves. Looks like we've got another Young Gun. And once again, it is upside down. Upside down Young Guns. What's up with that? Nicholas Milosh. Or Milosh. For San Jose. Jamie Benn. Tarasenko. Vince Dunn. And Jonathan Quick. So both of our Young Guns have been upside down. Why? Why would they do that? Matt Barzal, Anders Nilsson, Mike Hoffman. We've got a rookie portrait of Bowen Byram. Bowen Byram box here. Bobby Fabry, Brad Hunt, Yaroslav Halak, and David Kampf. Jacob Vrana, Adam Gaudette, Connor Hellebuck, Marc-Andre Fleury, and Vitek Vanacek. Portrait. There's Marcus Pettersson, Joel Eriksson Ek, and Dr. Dre. Clayton Keller, Bobby Fabry. It's another upside down Young Gun. Jacob Slavin, and we've got an Ian Mitchell on his head Young Gun. Jesperi Kotkaniemi, JVR, Rasmus Anderson, and Mike Smith. Johnny Gaudreau, Carl Hagelin, Austin Matthews, and our O-Pee-Chee rookie update is Mackenzie Entwistle. Got Justin Hall, Ryan Graves, Drake Batherson, and Tyler Johnson. Let's move to the back of the box. Adam Pellich, Matthias Ekholm. Looks like we have a right side up Young Gun. Seth Jones. We've got Nikolai. That guy? I'm not even going to try. Mackenzie Weegar, Joel Farabee, Nicholas Jalmerson, and Anthony Beauvillier. Jesper Bratt. Got a Tyler Bertuzzi. Pierre-Edouard Bellemare. What a great hat that is. Rookie portrait of Emil Laramie. Chris Tierney, Jonathan Hooby Dooby Dooberdo, Antti Ranta, and Valtteri Filppula. Andrei Vasilevsky, Gustav Nyquist, Oscar Sundquist, Tyler Bozak, and we've got a marquee rookie of Jake Ottinger. That's not a bad one. Jordan Stahl, Roman Josi, and Ryan Getzlaff. Ben Hutton, Jared McCann, Jonas Brodin, Alex Chason, and we've got a Mikko Rantanen. That same hat. Jaden Schwartz, Marcus Sorensen, and Capo Caco. This time we're going to open up the bottom of the pack. See if that makes a difference. Did open easier. Travis Dermott, Ian Cole, Brendan Smith. I called it. We've got the Young Gun checklist of Tim Stutzla and Dylan Cousins. I just feel like we've been pulling a ton of these recently. Nothing wrong with it, of course. It's just been my luck. Sean Corrali, Pat Maroon, Nick Paul, and Jake Virtanen. Anthony Cirelli, Victor Olofsson, Patrick Kane, Ryan Pollock, Rupe Hintz. Oh, that's a clear cut. Rupe Hintz. Derek Ryan, Andrew Mangiapane, and Richard Panik. Patrick Kane. We've got, did I open this one upside down? Patrick Kane, Ryan Pollock, Miro Heiskanen. We've got a blue, these cards are just everywhere. A blue O-Pee-Chee Marquee rookie update of Shane Bowers. So this is a parallel. Dustin Brown, Josh Bailey, Vladislav Gavrikov, and Ryan Dzingel. It's just weird in this box how the cards are facing every which way. It's uncommon for Upper Deck. Andre Palat, Cale Makar, Patrick Marleau. We've got a portrait rookie of Nick Robertson, Paul Biron, Carter Rowney, Brandon Montour, and Damon Severson. Anders Bjork. We've got a checklist with Dr. Dre and Patty Kane, Matt Roy, Sid the Adult, and Yegor Sharangovich, Young Gun. Brent Burns, Corey Perry, and Adam Boquist. Mikko Rantanen, Marcus Foligno, Jake DeBrusk, and a canvas of Tomas Hertl. Jake Gardner, Anthony Mantha, Troy Terry, and Victor Mete. We got 2 packs left. Calvin DeHaan, Ben Sherratt, Oscar Lindblom. We've got a marquee rookie of Reed Duke, who recently pulled an auto of his out of O-Pee-Chee Platinum. Chris Dreger, Malcolm Subban, and Derek Stefan. Final pack. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Claude Giroux. We've got Andreas Athanasiou, and we've got a Jordan Greenway, a retro award winners of Roman Josi for winning the Norris, Mario Ferraro, Victor Arvidsson, and Zygmus Jorgensen. So there you have it. 2020, 2021 Upper Deck Tavares. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.